EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, your trusted roofing partner in Goshen, Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing and Construction, the leading roofing contractor in Goshen, Utah. We proudly serve both residential and commercial properties in the 84633 area with top-tier roofing solutions. At EagleRidge, we specialize in a range of roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal roofing, and flat roofing systems. Whether you're in need of roof installations, repairs, replacements, or inspections, we are here to provide comprehensive services that ensure your property is safe and protected. Our team is committed to high-quality workmanship and exceptional customer service. From your initial consultation to the final walkthrough, we make sure every detail is covered. We also offer storm damage assessments, gutter installations, ice and water shield applications, and even attic ventilation solutions. For commercial clients, we go beyond standard roofing services. Our offerings include flat roof repairs, metal roofing systems, preventative maintenance programs, and more. Our roofing solutions are designed to keep your business running smoothly, ensuring long-lasting results. EagleRidge's reputation for excellence has earned the trust of numerous homeowners and businesses in Goshen and the surrounding areas. Our attention to detail, prompt communication, and dedication to customer satisfaction set us apart from the competition. Why choose EagleRidge? It's simple. We deliver reliable, professional roofing services backed by years of experience. We follow a thorough process from start to finish, ensuring that your roofing project is completed with precision and care. Ready for a roofing consultation? Call EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 and let's get started on your next project.